So welcome back to another what I eat in a day video. I'm still doing the low carb thing because it seems to be working really easily and I'm quite enjoying it. But breakfast, I've got some coffee in here just with some skimmed milk and a little bit of sweetener and my favourite strawberries and yogurt. I haven't had any strawberries for ages. I've been having apples, and while I like apples, for some reason I feel like apples make me hungry quicker, which I don't know the logic behind that, but yeah, really looking forward to it. So for lunch, sorry that you can hear my washing machine, I have just got some leftovers. So what this here is basically is just some cauliflower rice with it was ready-made cauliflower rice from Aldi, a ready-made bag of like Chinese vegetables and a little bit of sauce. I just used a bit of this sauce here because it's my favourite, but I only used a little bit, lots of salt and pepper. And then I beat an egg through it last night, just the one egg, and it made 2 portions, so that's 1 portion. Really, really delicious. I'm having it cold, and then I've just got some chopped cucumber, and this is going to sound weird, but this is the like protein Philadelphia, extra lean Philadelphia cheese, which I've rubbed on that bit of plate to dip my cucumber in, just because I fancied some. But I was going to make something for lunch, but I'm going to make it for dinner instead because I'm in the middle of doing something and I just need to eat quickly. But yummy. So I'm going to start prepping dinner now, and what I'm going to have for dinner today is something quite interesting and different. It's a type of courgette pizza. I don't know where I first made this, but I've been making it for a while, and it's low carb and it's really good. So all you need is, I've got here about a courgette and a half, I think, sliced not super thickly, but kind of that size. This is all I'm going to have for dinner, so that's why I've got courgette and a half. Half a diced red onion, some tomato puree, a little bit of oregano, I've got salt and pepper behind me there, and a little bit of lighter grated cheese. But what I'm going to do first is I've preheated my oven on the grill setting at about 200, 180, and I'm gonna just pop the courgettes on a tray. Sorry, I've got a cough sweet thing in my mouth. I'm gonna put them on a tray, brown them a tiny bit first, just so they're a bit softer before I put the toppings on, because I think it's better when the courgette's a little bit more cooked, and then I'll show you how I top them. Okay, so when the courgettes look like this, now what I'm going to do is put some tomato puree on them and sprinkle some oregano, then the onion, then the cheese. Do the cheese last because it kind of holds everything together, but I'll show you what that looks like now. So this is what it looks like when you've just got the tomato puree. It's literally a tiny little bit, and I just smoothed it over with the back of a teaspoon, so it's really easy. And I'm now going to do the onion and the cheese. So that's what they look like with the cheese on top, and it was just pretty much like a handful or so of cheese. Not very much at all, but it's stacked. So I'm going to just pop it down into the oven, let it all kind of go a bit golden and melty, and it's done. And so these are the finished product. How good do these look? I've got a tiny bit of low fat, low calorie, whatever, mayo on the side because I'm somebody that likes a dip with my food. I have dip with pizza. I'm just one of those people that I have to have a dip with the stuff that require a dip. Like Paul's not like that. He literally would eat chips without like any ketchup or anything, not on purpose, but he can eat them like that. I can't. I need it. But I'm really looking forward to eating these now. There's a couple left in there, but I'll eat these and see if I feel full. But they're such a great thing because they're really delicious. They don't make you feel bloated. They're a lot lower calorie, and you've got lots of veg, some protein from the cheese, and they're just really nice. And they'd make a nice kind of side dish if you're having chicken or fish or something like that too. So as a little after dinner treat, I'm going to have some dark chocolate. I actually love dark chocolate anyway. I've got some green tea, and the dark chocolate I'm having is this, just Tesco's one, 74% cocoa, and it's just that little small piece there, which amounts to 112 calories, and it's like really rich and satisfying. Just a nice thing to end the day on. So I hope you enjoyed what I ate today. I enjoyed showing you it, definitely, and I'll do some more of these because you guys seem to like them, and I'm just finding it really easy to eat like this. I have had days where I've not eaten so great, obviously with everything going on with my family and losing my grandma and stuff, but I'm back on it now, and the weight seems to just be dropping off, which is lovely. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this.